Alright, so today I'm actually meal prepping and I'm making some frittatas. No, it's not my recipe, I got it from online. And what they call for right now is to line the bottom of your egg frittatas for breakfast with spinach. So that's what I'm doing. I usually buy the pre-washed big boxes of baby spinach anyway, because I hate iceberg, I hate spring mixes. Most of that stuff just isn't particularly like greeny or leafy enough for me. If I'm gonna eat greens, I want to know that they're actually doing something for me. Onions last. I think he did, yeah, I did, no, he did onions first is what I'm trying to spit out. So some onions. I like onions, so I'm gonna put a good amount. Right, and then some red bell pepper. He did. If I'd stop dropping it on the floor, it might go a little farther too. Chopping some bacon up, because there's going to be some bacon bits. Again, if I can keep it on the pan, it'll definitely go, the cutting board, it'll definitely go farther. So he put cheese and then bacon and then dumped the egg over. Alright, we got our Mexican cheese blend, we got the bacon chopped up. We got the bacon chopped up. I got some Mexican cheese blend. I'm just gonna put a little bit at the bottom because I really don't want dairy. Elena nor I really can't eat dairy. Luckily, cheddar has super low lactose. If I wasn't filling up the other egg pans with egg, we probably have enough egg. Alright, this one needs more. Alright, and I'm going to deviate a bit from the recipe and put some parmesan on top because I love parmesan, and again, it's super low naturally in lactose. And voila! You can do anything. You can stand to the side, the front. You can go below me and film up my robe.
Is that what sort of a film you want to make, honey?
Mm-hmm.